Welcome guys to today's trading recap. We took another W on the NASDAQ. Let me go on the 1 hour and show you something. So yeah, as you can see here, this New York session of today, we made a good move upwards, and yesterday this was the move. Essentially it looks pretty fucking similar. We have a 1 hour gap right here, we have a 1 hour order block right here, we also had a 4 hour gap right here, which we didn't have today. What happened today? This is 1 hour fair value gap. We used this gap in London session already, so I didn't care about this. So we had this 1 hour order this 1 hour order block right here, and this 1 hour fair value gap, and also this 1 hour low, which we all took out right on market open. So if we look at this in the 5 minute, for this day we also took out daily liquidity, Asia highs in the start of London session. Yeah, 15 minutes into London session, we took out Asia highs. Quite fast after London session, we took out London lows just like yesterday. We came into this 1 hour fair value gap. We tapped the 1 hour order block on market open. All of this is like fucking the same thing like yesterday. So I was pretty sure, yeah, today I'm bullish. I pretty much, as I came on the chart, I already thought, yeah, I'm bullish. But this was just some more confirmation for me because it's like the same as yesterday. So yeah. And because I was so confident and I knew that we wouldn't really get a good entry on the 5 minute, because like yesterday we just ripped straight past everything. Wait, let me find it. Yeah. Okay, now we got a good entry on the 5 minute, but after that not really that much. So I thought, yeah, okay, fuck it, let's go a bit more aggressive on the 1 minute, but still make it strategic, still trade like in strat. Yeah, now I got it. So we broke structure and inversed this 5 minute gap right after market opened. So after I saw this, I decided to scale down into the 1 minute and look for a continuation confluence, which I got pretty fucking fast. We made this 1 minute fair value gap, and as soon as we hit it, we ripped straight past it all the way down to here, which we tapped into this 5 minute order block. I didn't notice this 5 minute order block when I was trading, so essentially this trade would have been valid for my strategy. Yeah, we tapped into the order block and we had a 1 minute break of structure or anything out of it, but I took the better trade because I think, wait, let me mark this out real quick. If you would have taken this trade right here, okay, now you would have probably, yeah, I would have took about the same trade, but yeah, oh fuck, it's the wrong thing. Yeah, I took the trade after we closed out of the 1 minute fair value gap, which is kind of aggressive and also stops just beneath this low, which is also kind of risky. And so I decided to only enter with 2 units, 2 micros, which is only risking $65. In turn, also only making $230 in profit. This is the trade I took. I made $230 in profit. But now if I look back at the charts, I could have easily risked 5 because we had such a strong bias. We had essentially 2 days to look at the chart because same thing happened yesterday. And yeah, it was a small error from me. Easily could have risked 5 contracts because this isn't even a this is still in the risk management. I mean, if I would have risked 1%, this would have been 500. This is not even, this is less than 1%. This is about 0.15, something like this. I don't know. No, sorry, it's 1/5. It's 1/5 of a percent, which I could have easily risked. So after I entered with the 2, I decided to take another trade if we inverse this 5-minute gap right here. Yeah, so we inversed it right after that. I went to the 1 minute and I marked out this 1 minute gap right here and equilibrium. But my stupid ass stopped paying attention after that, and we created this 1 minute gap, which we tap. And fuck, bro, let me drag that. Yeah. We tapped the 1 minute gap right here. We closed out of it, which same thing as before. I would have entered longs. I would have put stops under the candle, and no cap, I'm not saying this for the video, I would have taken profit up here. And if I would have risked my remaining 3 contracts that I had open, damn, that it isn't that much, bro, huh? What the hell? I thought I would have made much more, but yeah, it's another 288, which is great. Only risking $50, so all in all, we would have risked $200, about $200, which is great. But yeah, my stupid ass wasn't paying attention, so we just tapped the fair value gap and continued straight up. I hit take profit right after it, secured my 230 and hoped to still kind of retrace back, but never happened. We sweeped my final take profit of the day, pretty much securing my day. So what I can take away from this day, what are my learnings? Pay more fucking attention, because if I would have paid more attention, firstly, I would have saw this 5-minute order block right here and would have risked 5 contracts already, would have made $500, which would be great, risking 160. And also, if I paid more attention, I would have seen this 1 minute gap and I would have made 288 more, essentially making about the same as I would have just entered with 5 contracts down here. So yeah, but yeah, it's essentially fucking just be more present while trading, not just kind of vibe to the music. Be more present and focus, so I can take the most amount of money of my sessions. But yeah, hopefully seeing you on Monday again with another W. Bye guys, take care.